Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to move image in Google Docs. It's very simple, very straightforward. You have a few options and they're very easy to understand. So just follow these steps and play with them to find your perfect formatting. I will now insert image, go to upload from computer and insert one image. When you insert this image, you won't be able to move it at all. You can insert image if you position your cursor, for example, over here and click insert image, upload from computer, of course, and it will insert where you position your mouse. But what if we want to move this image on top of the text? So I'll try to select it and move it like this and select it over here, but it will move as a text. To change this behavior, click on the image and you will see over here inline. This means that it behaves as a text, as a character. Wrap text, if I click this and reduce the size of the image like this, the text will be wrapped around the image. I will delete this image so you can see it better like this, and you can move it to the right or to the left or keep it in the middle. You can see this red line. This means that it's perfectly in the middle, so it will help you keep the styling. Okay, if I click break the text, it will break the text around the image, so it will not wrap it, but instead it will break it. So no matter where you move the image, it will break the text around. Let's say it, for example, over here. You can move the image behind the text, but you won't be able to see it on or in front of the text and move it around. You can change the margin if you want, and you can click over here, move with text, fix position and position options. If you want to make some things different, click position options over here, and under position, you can see move with text or fix position on page. If I click fix position on page, or change it over here, you can now move freely your image on the top left corner, for example, and increase the image, or you can click and say in front of the text or click behind the text, and this is practically how you move your image, or you can position your image over here in a quick layout section. And this is practically it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.